The Jamestown Smoke from Corinthian is the perfect sofa to kick back and settle into when you're relaxing, like binge watching your favorite television program or sporting event. 3 contoured cushions with each outer seat a full chaise recliner, adding additional comfort without compromising style. Family-friendly, long-wearing polyurethane fabric with full padded arms and nailhead trim makes this one of our best-selling motion sofas. The console Loveseat also features 2 recliners, as well as storage and 2 cup holders. Pair this matching glider recliner to complete the room for additional seating. The reclining sofa is a full 92 inches wide with a depth of 41 inches and an overall height of 42 inches. The console Loveseat measures 81 inches wide with a depth of 41 inches and an overall height of 42 inches. The glider recliner measures 46 inches wide with a depth of 41 inches and an overall height of 42 inches. This motion collection will give your home a comfortable style and works well in living rooms or family rooms. This collection is manufactured by our parent company, Corinthian Furniture, and brought to you factory direct for even more exceptional value. Every piece of Corinthian furniture is quality built, using only high-quality components throughout in our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Corinth, Mississippi.